For product review this month, we've been looking at netting and different kinds of netting to keep those pests away from your crops. Butterflies, carrot fly, birds and whatever. So this little thing here we've got is from Marshalls and it's called a wind and pest barrier.
It's really good, isn't it? It comes with the canes.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything, the canes come with it.
And do you get one long piece, or do you get two?
You get two pieces, so as you can see, one we've put together here already. So shall we put the other one in?
Let's put the other one in then.
Yeah.
So imagine we've got imagine we've sown some carrots.
Looks good for carrots, doesn't it? Keep the carrot fly away. They're not supposed to be able to fly this high, are they? The female carrot flies. There you go. I say it takes less than a minute to set up.
Oh, it's really good. It's a good wind barrier as well.
Yeah.
Very fine netting.
Fine netting, so that'll keep out, you know, great for things like carrots, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
and obviously you could grow other things in there as well. But, you know, neat little products, easy to set up.
Yeah.
And probably quite effective, I should imagine.
We'll make sure that
There's an overlap on the corners.
Got to make sure that it's well on the bottom, haven't you? Sort of tucked.
Yeah.
You could almost tuck it into the soil. Just
Yeah,
to
sounds good. Yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
Useful.
Also for our product review this month, we've been looking at EnviroMesh.
This is something I can't live without. I mean, it's good, isn't it, for keeping pool pests off?
Yeah. Now, this is a gooseberry bush here. Last year I got crucified with gooseberry sawfly, and they devastated the leaves. But also they've got little buds coming here, and the bullfinches tend to peck at those. So this will keep off.
But the beauty about it is it lets so much light through.
Yeah.
But
nothing gets through.
Nothing gets through this,
yeah,
does it?
Yeah. Obviously, you know, we haven't done that yet, but you'd have to sort of weight these down a little bit so that the birds don't get underneath and get trapped.
And the good thing is it lasts for years. If you look after it, it's tough stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. So you know, one of the products that of the 7 products we're looking at this month in our product review section.